when AI is giving you errors, it might be frustrating and you might say AI is dumb or AI is useless, but that doesn't really help anyone. AI is smart, but it does make mistakes. And as you begin to debug the AI and understand the source of the errors, it's important to understand what is classified as a AI hallucination. Yes, it's a thing, versus what's a simple error. And we all know errors, like 2 + 2 = 26, that's an error. But what's an AI hallucination? So let's start by talking about what exactly is an AI hallucination. Then we'll talk about what are simple AI errors and how you can determine the difference. So first, we'll start with how to tell a hallucination. Hallucinations typically have a few recognizable patterns. You can think of an AI hallucination just like you would think of a human hallucination. You see something that's not there. It's not based on facts, or whatever you're coming up with isn't factual. You look at a chessboard, your eyes maybe see certain pieces or positions, but your brain just processes something different. Like your brain thinks one piece is there, but it's not there, or it's in a different place. It happens. It also happens to people when we work from memory. We think something happened, but it didn't, or some person was somewhere, but they were slightly in a different spot. We hallucinate quite often. Usually the errors that come out of that aren't terrible, and so we don't actually maintain account of like how often do we as humans hallucinate, but it's quite a bit. Our brains aren't perfect, and AI can be given some slack with that as well. So to recognize an AI hallucination, one thing that you would look for is the information shown that the AI comes up with or that the AI uses for reasoning, is it factually false or fabricated? Now, these are non-intentional hallucinations. It's not like the AI is trying to trick you. It maybe just thinks a superhero from a comic book is real and uses that information. Or maybe it finds some poetry about science and uses that as training data, and then it suddenly thinks that whatever is in the poetry that's made up is actually facts about science, and so it uses that data for scientific information, creating hallucinations. So the result is that the AI thinks some things are plausible based on its training data. And because the AI itself believes it, the AI usually displays a high level of confidence in its answer, which can be extra confusing to you as a user, because if the AI makes such an impression like, oh, the AI really believes in this, it must be so basic and simple for the AI. Yeah, but we have to decouple AI's level of confidence with AI's correctness. It's one of the common human errors is to blindly believe the AI when the AI feels like it's really knowledgeable about something. Yeah, it could be knowledgeable about a fictitious story. So don't blindly trust the AI, even if it's really confident, because at those moments it can feel really natural to trust the AI because it does portray a high level of confidence. Also common to AI hallucinations is that there is no direct source that backs the AI's use of information or deductions. So if you suspect that something might be wrong, you can always ask AI for the source, and if it struggles to come up with the source, then that might be a clue that AI is hallucinating. Now, why would the AI hallucinate? Usually, the AI is trying to fill some gaps in its knowledge rather than admitting that it doesn't know something. This can happen when you're asking AI about some field that's rapidly evolving or a field where there's a lot of unknowns. Like if you ask the AI about space travel, there's a lot of things that are unknown and many things that are science fiction, and it might just take some science fiction information and mistakenly use it as facts. Also, in rapidly evolving fields, like many professional fields today, for example, cryptocurrency, some things are true today and they're a little different tomorrow. And when some industry gets some new information, the AI sometimes struggles with understanding which information became outdated, and it might give you the outdated information, which is no longer true, because it might not have all the new information, because people are still innovating on the new information. It might not be fully understood yet. Like when an industry grapples with some question, the AI just doesn't know what the answer is because the industry doesn't know what the answer is. And so the AI may be tempted to fill in its knowledge gaps with some guessing, thus creating hallucinations. I've personally experienced this myself, where the AI was directing me in some direction that ended up being totally wrong because it was just trying its best to fill in knowledge gaps, but was making a mistake, and I was believing it. So I've spent many days trying to reverse an error that the AI sent me towards where it really shouldn't have. Now, what are some clues and results of hallucinations that the AI might present to you? The AI might present to you invented facts, fake statistics, or it might cite non-existing books or made-up sources, like comic books, science fiction books, guesses that aren't actually proven, things like that. These can be clues if you ask the AIs deeper questions about what's the source, where did you get information. If the AI starts presenting fake information or information from sources that you know is fictional, then you might get a clue like, okay, the AI is hallucinating. Wake up, AI, stop drinking. So hopefully now you're seeing how to recognize AI hallucinations. But to really help you understand how to spot AI hallucinations, we have to understand what exactly is a simple and basic AI error, not a hallucination. An error is just a miscalculation or a misinterpretation of real and factual sources. Again, think of the real world before AI. If you're in a desert and you see a mirage, that's a hallucination. It doesn't exist. But if you see real puddle of water and you think it's drinking water, but it's not drinking water, that's just an error. But the puddle was really there. And a hallucination would be that the puddle wasn't there, it was a mirage. Same thing with the AI. If the AI uses real facts and sources, but just makes an error, like somehow says 2 + 2 = 37, or more complex computational or reasoning errors, that's just an error. And how do you know it's an error? Because it's based on actual facts. The reasoning it used was based on real sources. Other sources of errors might be that it fails to follow some instructions or experiences a bug. So to sum up, if the wrong output is not made up, but just from a processing mistake or a reasoning mistake, that's a basic error. But if the wrong output is from using some non-existent or made-up fact, that's a hallucination. So hopefully with that, it becomes crystal clear what exactly is a hallucination and what exactly is a basic AI mistake.